Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, welcome to One Best Trade. In this video, I'm going to discuss the 5 best features of FireSwap trading platform. These unique features, most of them you are not going to find any other trading platform in India. Come, let's explore these features one by one. Now time to explore first unique feature of FireSwap, that is trading from the chart. You can place all sort of orders including cover order, bracket order, and also normal order and MIS order directly from the chart. Any instrument, be it futures, options or cash market, you can place orders from the chart itself. For example, Tata Steel is trading around 1429. You want to place a bracket order. Just if it breaks this candle, you want to place sell order. If it breaks above this candle, you want to place a buy order. Example I am telling you. So just go and place your buying above this candle. Just go and press it. You can select whether you want a cover order or a bracket order. Specify the quantity and specify the stop loss. Say example you want to put 5 rupees stop loss and 10 rupees target. Just go and you can see the margin requirement also. Go and click the buy button. Automatically the buy stop is placed. The moment price comes above this line, automatically your order get executed. Now you want to place a sell order below this candle. Just go and press the sell. Automatically it will take stop and specify the quantity, specify the stop loss and take profit. Go and sell it. So I'm going to sell below this candle. I'm going to buy above this candle. And also anytime by dragging and dropping, you can modify from the chart itself. I want to buy just break out of this candle. Just go and drag and modify it. Now I'm going to buy only if the price breaks this candle high. Now order got executed. Okay, the 5 rupees stop loss and 10 rupees target. You can always manage your trades from the chart itself. Say example you want to modify the stop loss, you can always, you just go and drag it and drop and modify it. So this is how, if you want to change your target, you can also modify it. Just drag and keep where you want to change and then go and press the modify button. This is how you can modify the stop loss and target. This feature will help you a lot if you're a scalper, if you're a breakout trader. You can manage all your trades from the chart itself and you can modify your orders from the chart itself. Next best feature is watch list, where you can find a lot of predefined watch list, including all the sector wise watch list you can see. Say example you want to go and check Nifty Bank, just go and click it. You can find all the stocks belongs to that particular sector. By clicking this, you can see top losers and top gainers. So easily you can identify the momentum stocks, and you can also find the Bank Nifty futures. You can, easily you can go and click, Bank Nifty stocks futures you can see, and also Nifty futures also you can see. Say example Nifty near futures. Yes, it is a ready watch list where you can find all the stocks futures, the current month futures also you can find it. Here you can also see the weekly options, monthly options, and also weekly next week expiry options, and the currency futures, and also MCX near futures you can also find it. So here currency futures you can find it. Here Bank Nifty options of particular month you can find it. Here Bank Nifty weekly expiry options you can find in this watch list, and Bank Nifty next week expiry options you can find here. You can also create an unlimited your own customized watch list. Just go and click create new watch list, and you can give a name. So just save it and then go and add symbol. You can just go and click the particular stock. If you want to add features, just go and click it and go and add it. So in this way we can add all the instrument including cash, futures and options. Say example, you want to add a particular Nifty options, Nifty the 15,700. Just go and select the particular contract and click it. That is how you can add all sort of instrument in the watch list. You can create unlimited watch list from this feature. Now let's go to the next important feature, that is the option desk. Just go right click and select option desk. This is how the option desk looks like. It is designed by Go Charting. It's one of the emerging charting software company. Now let's explore a few features. Here you can see expiry wise option chain. Just go and click it. You can see the option chain here. So here you can see the ready strategies. If you want to implement the strategies, just go and click it. You can find a lot of ready strategies. Say example, you want to implement iron condor. Just go and click the iron condor and just click apply. Automatically strategy will be implemented, and you can see here. So you can also buy and sell from the panel also. You just go and press it. You can also sell from directly from the option chain itself. If you want to execute all the orders, you can go and click it. Automatically all the orders will be placed as a basket. You can save slippage and also time. And also you can design your own strategy. You can customize your strategy also. So this is a payoff chart where you can track your live P&L. If you want to know more about the option desk, there is a video about that, and that video link is given in the description. You can go and explore it. Now let's go to the next important feature. If you're an investor, you want to do fundamental analysis, then this feature will help you. Just go and right click and select research report. The MarketSmith is a well-known company for fundamental research. They have a tie with the MarketSmith. In this portal, you can find a lot of important parameters for fundamental analysis. You can see, yearly EPS growth, your quarterly EPS growth, and also sales growth. You can see total market capitalization, sales, so many other parameters also you can see. Here you can see, shareholding pattern, top management peoples also you can see, and also star investor in that particular company also you can see here. And key ratios also you can find, like ROE, ROC, and debt equity ratio, and EBITDA margin. Those kind of key ratios you can also find here. And then financial statements, quarterly income statement and balance sheet, cash flow statement you can find here. And next, top computation also you can come to know that here. And next important parameter is estimation, EPS estimate, sales estimation you can also see here. And also rating from the top brokers also you can see here. And also you can see traded versus delivery quantities also you can see here. Now let's go to the next feature, last but not the least, very important feature. If you want to track multiple instrument, this feature will help you. That is a chart layout. Just go and click it. You can find the multiple chart layouts, and maximum you can open 8 charts. So where you can change the instrument, just go and click and type the name of the instrument you want to open. So you can open here. Like this, you can track total 8 instruments simultaneously. So if you're a Nifty trader, so I suggest, this layout is a best layout for you, where you can open a one window. You can open Nifty, and another window you can open Bank Nifty, and in this window you can open respective call option or put option. Say example, Nifty is around 15,770. Let's open Nifty 15,700 call option, and here we can open Nifty 15,800 put option we can open here. This is how you can set up for index option trading. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe my channel.